October, 92 homes sold in Annapolis. This October, the number of homes sold in Annapolis rose 9.78% to 101. It's Friday, November 1st, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. If you caught last week's video, you already know that the industry predictions indicate home prices will continue to rise up to 4.4% with an average appreciation of 2.6%. This week, Annapolis inventory for sale remains at 165 at a median $715,000. 23 properties are coming soon. 24 homes went under contract this past week. 18 homes sold in 6 days at 100% list to sold ratio. Rentals rose to 42 available at $2,975 median dollars per month. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, November 1st, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Stay safe. Take care.